Hey everyone, it's Michael here from Ereader.com, and today we're going to unbox the Bookeen Diva HD. This is their higher end e-reader, and it's a departure from designs of yesteryear for this French company. A 6-inch e-reader, 300 ppi, front-lit display and color temperature system, 1 GHz processor, 512 MB of RAM, 16 gigs of internal storage. We've taken a look at the box. Now let's crank this open and see what's inside. So here's the e-reader. You can see it's brilliantly white. Read as you live is what's here on the box insert. Kind of interesting. Not a lot of companies, write things inside of the box, so it's a pleasant change. And you can see that there's a little tag here that you can pull, and you can take out the e-reader. Just telling you what the page turn buttons do, where the USB and power button is. The only thing inside of here is a USB cable, micro USB. It's a nice looking cable. So let's take a look at the e-reader itself. You can see here that there is a physical glow light button right here. So presumably you would press that and then you would initiate the glow light feature. Manual page turn buttons on the left and right hand side, as well as a home button in the middle. Right here is a power button, and on the bottom I guess it's a hard reset button and the USB port, and that's it. You can see that this looks kind of big and chunky. The screen is not flush with the bezel, as you can kind of see here. There's a small dip. So it'll be interesting to see what the color temperature system looks like, what this brings to the table in terms of user experience. But stay tuned to our YouTube channel for a full hands-on review for Ereader.com and an unboxing of the Bookeen Diva HD. My name is Michael, and everybody take care.